Hello, this is Joan of Art and I'm here at Villa Indo. This is named after their grandfather whose name was Indo. So let's have a look at this 3 hectare property. And the balcony. And they have a restaurant, which is older than this house.
Yeah.
The restaurant is older than this house.
Actually, this land it was used to be owned by the Rebellias.
The Rebillas, this house.
Yeah, the ones at the side of ABS-CBN.
Ah, yeah. They own the place, this lot.
It from them.
But nothing was constructed before.
It's all plain.
So how old is this house, Gani?
Look at the door, like it's door.
15 years living a house. Yeah, okay, I've asked that before. Yes, that's amazing. And who made this door? Who made the door?
The one also who made
Who built the house? Is he still alive? Can we hire him?
He's an artist, Gajak.
He is. He is a real bamboo artist.
Oo.
My goodness.
Look at the window.
And the window.
And the window actually recycled man na siya.
Recycled
Yeah,
material.
because my mom and her siblings, they used to have the buy and sell house. They buy old houses and they sell them, renovate and sell.
Okay.
And then the glass and all.
You cannot find that in Ace Hardware or City Hardware.
Of course, they're all custom made. Wow, look at the door. I'm really in love with the door. A room?
My sons.
Ah, your son's room. Oh my goodness. Ah, mga
Made of
toy
wood,
trucks.
bamboo,
Okay, made of wood.
and smooth floor.
Look at that. Of course, there's TV, entertainment, playroom. Wow. And right now, I'm in the bedroom of Bahia. Bye. So there is Bye. Bye. How long have you been in here? This is your room.
About 15 years.
15 years, so you practically grew up here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. It's bamboo cladding. Look, wow. And that's her wall. So all over the room. Hi, bye. Hi,
I'm
Jess.
enjoying this.
We really enjoy this. It's like resort living right here. So she's really living the dream. Look at that. I'm so amazed. It's all native indigenous materials. Grabe. This one is banig, right?
Yeah.
Anong banig's English?
Yan, no?
Native mat made of a straw mat. But what kind of straw? But it's a grass. I-google talaga. Kanami lang gid siya. And she used to have an air conditioner there. She doesn't need it because the house is so cool. Just look at the floors. It's bamboo floor. You may want to lie here, sleep here on the
Imagine
floor.
an afternoon here.
But right down here, there's also trusses like for support, right? Oh my goodness. And even the bed is made of bamboo. Yes.
Sadyan ka.
Sadyan ko. Of course, the bamboo, of course, the toilet is your regular toilet, so it doesn't get wet, ang mga bamboos. So how often do you treat your house, Gani?
Once a year.
Once a year, every summer, then you go to the beach. Oh, it's so amazing. So even the painting. I love the sofa. Wow, and the furniture. Oh, it's so nice, Gidya. Yeah, I'm so amazed. Do visitors come here often?
Yeah.
Really?
Because we
Wow.
have a restaurant on the other side.
Is this like a tourist attraction in La
Kinda.
Castellana? Kinda. And the other house, that house over there,
Used to be our old house.
your old house, and who lives there now?
Somebody new.
And that's a restaurant.
Yeah.
Tabok ka din before. And the whole of that is the garden.
We
Wow.
only have a small garden.
So how many houses do you have in all? The bamboo ones?
Because this used to be like an apartment style house.
Apartment style? Okay.
Because my grandmother used to live in the first door, my tita Nini on the second door, and this one was my uncle who built the house. But
Okay.
later on, things changed and everybody moved out.
So who's the one living here now?
Kami.
Kamo na.
Yeah.
Okay, wow.
Oo. Dirty kitchen to sa lalo.
That's the dirty kitchen. Oh my goodness. It doesn't look so dirty to me. Look at the kitchen. Oh, wow. There's the dirty kitchen already.
That's
Okay.
where we tambay most of the time. Oh my God.
So cool, Gapon. So bambooish. Wow.
And they have kalalaw. Look.
Where's the, yeah, there's the kalalaw there. There. And what do you do with the kalalaw? They look so like you're using it really.
Using this for her
For wheatgrass.
For
This
the
is
wheatgrass.
And for the wheatgrass, they...
for the rice.
For the
For
rice.
the tahop. Magtahop.
When you
But
tahop
she
the
usually
rice
covers the wheatgrass.
before you cook the rice.
How do you say tahop in
And
English?
I
My
haven't
goodness.
seen
I haven't
kalalaw like
for the
more than-
longest time.
maybe more than 30 years.
We haven't done the tahop for the longest
Never.
time.
For real?
For real. But you still do that here?
Yeah, because my Hawaiian.
It's a daily thing, wow. Our rice is all, processed.
Greatest name.
This is the greatest name of the Baha'i faith.
Yeah.
Baha'i or Baha'i?
In Arabic, it's Yabahaulama.
So they have functions. So they have a restaurant for functions, parties, meetings. Stay tuned to part 2 of this video for more. This is Joan of Arc. Thanks for watching.